On Tuesday, the 19th of May, Kentuckians will head to the polls in the first step to electing our new governor. In addition to anyone 18 or older, 17-year-olds will be able to vote, so long as they turn 18 prior to or on the 3rd of November, the date of the general election, that is. That means that many students here in both the senior and junior classes will be having their say for the very first time. That's all good news, but who are the candidates? In Kentucky, as in many other states, you either have to be a registered Republican or Democrat in order to vote in a primary election. Now, the candidates. First, on the Democrat side. This includes Attorney General Jack Conway, along with his running mate, Sandy Overly. Jack Conway was a former opponent to Senator Rand Paul in 2010. The next candidate is Jeff Young, who, according to his website, describes himself as the only progressive Democrat for Kentucky governor. His running mate is Jonathan Masters. Lastly, on the Republican side, this includes Matt Bevin, Senator Mitch McConnell's former primary competitor last year. He is a Tea Party favorite, and his running mate is Janine Hampton. Other candidates include James Comer, Kentucky's Agriculture Commissioner, with Christian McDaniel as his running mate. Hal Heiner, a former Louisville councilman who has been running television ads since the beginning of the year, along with running mate Casey Crosby. Lastly, Will T. Scott, who was formerly a justice on Kentucky's Supreme Court, along with Rodney Coffey as his running mate. Significant issues such as the future of Kentucky's state healthcare system under Obama's Affordable Care Act, tax reform, and the minimum wage will be debated.